I would say is a mandatory part in today's time. We are eating so much, and that has been my reason to start my initiative also. That food that is eating in the market is actually poisonous, and we are feeding poison to our children every day. So make sure that whenever you plan your gardens, please add some edible plants to your garden. Now, when I say edible, and you say you have space constraints, you have a small balcony, even then, even if you are able to grow something like a pot of spinach, a pot of mint, a pot of coriander, a pot of mustard, even that is okay. If you have luxury of space, luxury of sunlight, we divide kitchen plants into three categories. One are the leaf plants, one are the flowering and the fruiting plants, and then are the tubers. So the first criteria is the foliage plant, that is palak, spinach, coriander, mustard, amarnath, all these lettuce, all these are leafy things, and you can very easily grow them in your small balconies. Even if you do not get too much of sun, even then you can manage them. But when you go to flowering plants and fruiting plants like tomatoes, ladyfinger or brinjal, these plants can be easily grown at home, easily grown in pots, but at the same time, they will require optimum kind of sunlight, 3-4 hours of sunlight, a good soil mix, and a good pot. So that is a little more challenging. Tubers again, from turmeric to beetroot to carrots, for that matter, radish, all are doable at home, and they are doable in pots. We have so many gardeners now in Gurugram, and I mean, even cities like Bangalore, where kitchen gardening is really on a high. People are growing everything, almost everything in their homes in today's time. I consider myself in today's time, in the last my journey of 8-10 years, I am almost self-sufficient in my food garden. So slowly and steadily, one should start from foliage plants, grow them for a year or two, get motivated, and move slowly to plants which are a little tough to grow, like the fruiting and the flowering plants. They have more technical things required, but tubers and leaves are very easy to grow. And what you can do is you can just, whatever zone you are, you can select according to your season. Like right now in NCR, we are planning for all the winter vegetables. So all that we eat in winter, right from cauliflower to cabbage to turnip, radish, carrots, we can grow everything. It's just a belief that you can't do it in pots, you can't do it in balconies. There is nothing like that. You can easily grow them in your balconies.